Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove text from video in Capcut. So all you have to do is open your Capcut. This is a mobile version, and open your project that have text. They contain in text inside the video. Here, if you tap the video, you cannot see the option how you can remove the text. But if you tap on the blank space here, you can see this text option and the bar text will pop up. So this is like overlay, so you can completely remove, or you can type another text, add more text, or even you can add emoji. So that, but the point is how you can remove it by tap the cross button here, and the text is gone. So if you want to add more text, you can tap add text here and then add text again, so you can use the style, the effect, the animation, or from the templates. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.